Water. It's a precious resource, one that all life depends on. Clean drinking water is essential, so it's important, especially for those who get their water from wells, to make sure their water is clean and safe to drink. Water may contain many microorganisms like E. coli and Campylobacter that can make you sick. These microorganisms can give you stomach cramps or diarrhea, and in some cases can be life-threatening. Frequent sampling of your drinking water will allow you to determine the bacteriological quality of your water supply. Monitoring your well water is important because water quality can change, especially during periods of heavy rainfall. It is recommended that you sample your well water at least 3 times per year, during or immediately following the spring melt, midsummer, and fall. There are a number of steps to follow to ensure successful collection of a sample. The first step is to obtain a proper water sample bottle from the public health laboratory, your local public health unit, or one of the designated pickup locations in your area. Only water collected in these containers will be accepted at the public health laboratory. Sample your well water when you're sure it can be delivered to the public health unit or designated drop-off location within 24 hours. Your water sample shouldn't be left sitting for a long period of time, as this can lead to inaccurate test results. Wash your hands before taking your water sample. When you take a water sample, it's important to make sure it is truly representative of your water supply. Remove any equipment or attachments such as aerators or filters from your tap. Don't take your sample from an outside faucet or garden hose. Always take a sample from an indoor tap with no aerator. A bathtub faucet is a good example. Disinfect the end of the faucet to remove debris or bacteria before collecting your sample. Use an alcohol swab or a diluted bleach solution made by mixing a 1/4 teaspoon of household unscented bleach in a glass of water. Turn on the cold water tap and let it run for 2 to 3 minutes. This should be enough time to remove standing water from the plumbing system. Reduce the water flow to a steady, slow water stream to avoid excessive splashing when filling the sample bottle. Remove the sample bottle lid, but be sure not to touch the inside of the lid. Do not put the lid down or rinse the bottle. Fill the bottle to the level that is clearly marked on the container and close the lid firmly. Filling out the information form that accompanies each sample is important for tracking your results. If the required fields in the form are not filled out, your sample may not be tested. Write down the barcode number on the small pink form. This is your reference number. Write your name on the small peel-off tab and stick it to the back of the bottle. Insert the completed information in the plastic sleeve and wrap it around the bottle. Your sample is now ready for submission. Keep the sample cool until it is delivered to the drop-off location. Deliver the sample within 24 hours or it may not be processed. Remember, proper handling leads to accurate test results. Again, the steps are: obtain a proper water sampling bottle. Sample your water when it can be delivered within 24 hours. Always sample from an indoor tap with no aerator. Wash your hands before taking a sample. Disinfect the tap to remove bacteria and debris. Run water for 2 to 3 minutes before sampling. Fill the bottle to the level that is clearly marked on the container. Fill out all of the required paperwork and keep the sample cool and deliver within 24 hours. Frequent, accurate water sampling can help prevent the serious illnesses associated with poor water quality. Protect yourself and your family by protecting your source water supply.